Welcome to the Wi-Fi Tech Master channel. Today we will be unlocking a latest Huawei router, which is currently limited to the Umniah network. We will unlock it to be active on all networks, so you can use any SIM card of your choice and any internet package you prefer, with any SIM card. So to learn all the details, please watch this video till the end. This is a latest security Wi-Fi router. As you can see, it is currently network locked. Right now, we have a Jawwal network SIM inserted. However, the router is locked, so it is not accepting this SIM. Now we will perform a software flashing process on it. I will show you some images here. We will need to open this router, and once opened, we will do USB soldering. Remember, friends, many people contact us asking for an unlock code for their router. This is unlocking we do is through software flashing. We do not have an unlock code available. So we will open this router, do the USB soldering, and as you can see, I have soldered the wires using copper wire. We will use these to connect the router to the computer, put it in boot mode, and within a few seconds, we will flash it and unlock the router. Friends, if you have a router like this and you want to get it unlocked, and you also want to use any network SIM card in it just like us, then you can contact us. Our contact number is provided on the screen. Reach out to us on WhatsApp and easily get your work done from home. Remember, only those who can open the router and do USB soldering using a copper wire should contact us. Only then can this router be unlocked. And for professionals, if you want to buy the software, you can also contact us to purchase the software. The software price is higher, which professionals are aware of. Generally, when you unlock a router online, the fee is much lower. Congratulations, our router is now unlocked. As you can see, the Jawwal network is now working. Initially, this router wasn't running. It was showing a network lock status. Now, this same router has successfully started working with that SIM. This router can now be used anywhere in the world on any network. This video was shown to you as proof. If you want to avail of our service, you can contact us on WhatsApp. Our number is provided on the screen. I hope you liked our video. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and press the bell icon for more latest updates. You will learn a lot here.